Well, there were lots of visitors today in the show, and I have talked to many of them to get lots of valuable feedback. So I think I was really enjoying. My project called Simbin is talk about how we could collaborate with AI in the future to in a new relationship spectrum. And that means the AI in the future are not replacing people but amplify human abilities. And I also designed a biomimetic robotic hands, which I can collaborate with it to co-play the piano to explore the spectrum. I have learned lots of things from this course, and I think one most important thing is it led me to think about the usage of technology in a more planet-centered way, and also let me think more systematically about the relationship between design, business, and sustainability.
I'm extremely happy about the show. Actually, it was really happy to be here. I mean, being in Central Saint Martin and all the work we have been doing for the last weeks, months, and super happy to present everything in the CSM show. The project is called FLX or Flex. It's a wheelchair that you can change the wheel angle to like an extreme from like 0 to 22 degrees, which allows even the beginners or amateurs to try various wheelchair sports like wheelchair tennis, wheelchair badminton, basketball, rugby. So it's like a active wheelchair. It's not a sports wheelchair. It's an active wheelchair, but it enables people to try various activities. I've been always thinking about the one thing which I really liked about the phrase Industry 5.0, which that's my personal take, will be using the right kind of manufacturing methods for the right purpose. Like that will eventually result in designing for people and planet together in a way.
In my project, I explore how we could communicate without phones or screens. It is a minimal communication ecosystem based on physical devices. I use a dot matrix printer, an e-ink screen, and rotary dials. So users could communicate and summarize communications using my devices. The course really helped me deepen the sense of design thinking and what Industry 5.0 is. For me, Industry 5.0 is about rebuilding the relationship between human and technology as the gap between human and technology today becomes bigger and bigger.
My project started out initially as a collaborative design response. So Nick and I were working on two machines that we hacked. So we had a shredder, which could recycle print waste, and we also had an extruder, which could then use that waste to extrude in two different scenarios what we both wanted to do. So we initially did that because it was sort of collaborative working and Industry 5 ethos of sustainable design for the environment and for human-centered. So I did a generative system which produced an infinite amount of rings, and it was based on trend or randomized input, which would then kind of reflect hyperconsumption and issues which happen within the fashion world. So doing that, I wanted to cycle this material infinitely, and I thought it would be quite a nice investigation of value and sort of material and matter change and how one material can be valued highly, but the form itself is what I intended to have value in this response. So I think I learned to think more creatively, actually. I always had quite an industrial design focused background, and I think this course has meant I can look at things more critically and embed that within my design responses. So the objects I've created here are, even though they're designed, are more sculptural in their nature. So that's probably what I'll take away with me.
I feel really proud and excited to showcase my project to the audience, and also to see how amazing everybody has done in this final project, and also to receive many valuable feedbacks from the audience. So my project is a AI modular medical robot that is built for battlefield and also natural disasters to empower the bystander, the people who have no medical background, to have the ability to perform basic first response abilities.
My project is Ecofoam and Story Nest. So it is a design system allow people to turn their memories into small objects. And after that, there is small tag on the bottom so that people can play with the AI-powered storytelling books. I really like the core value of our course so that we can talking about the empathy, social impact, and how to make it real, how to in the market space.
So my project, we care about the fashion designer. So we transfer fashion creative design into manufacturable format like this. Because normally, people need to spend 6 days to transfer the design into manufacturing format, but us just 2 hours. So this is a software basis design tool for fashion designers. Think from different way. That's something that really inspired me in the way this course bring me to. And also thanks for Andy Law and also Kim, really helps them a lot while we're doing some innovation thinking and all the ideation process.
My project is called Wind Catcher. It's a wearable designed to collection wind information like wind speed and wind directions when people move through the city. And it's different about the traditional way to collection the wind. It's more personal and more nature and more human-scaled way. And as people move through the city, and their data will stand to the crowd service, and it will power some home projects like sweeping plants. I think it's a new way to explore how to connect with human and emotional experience, nature power, and more different languages.